Hello, welcome my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to set units in AutoCAD. Right. Go start drawing. Press ESC and type units. Then enter. Then you can see drawing units box. If you are draw the length type decimal, you can choose decimal. Any other engineering, scientific. I chose decimal. Precision is 0. Decimal degree is you can change your own. Unit scale is inches, millimeters, centimeters. You can change with your own drawing. I choose the millimeter. After you can change specific intensity of lightning. uh, International, American, generic. You can choose your own thing. I choose international. Then okay. That's all. Thank you very much for joining with me.